Thank you very much. I'm actually very encouraged by the number of people who have just come. I'm sure they heard that we're coming to inspect our names in the roll. I've checked my name. I've found that my name is still registered. I know that some people are complaining that their names are not being found in the rolls because they've been allocated to different polling stations, different from the ones that they used when they voted last time. It's a worrisome development. We are very concerned, and we are doing everything within our power to make sure that citizens are not disenfranchised. You are aware that in terms of the Constitution of Zimbabwe, Section 67, political rights have to be respected. But the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, in terms of Section 155 and Section 239, is supposed to make sure that citizens are registered and are registered on the roll according to a credible process that ensures that the names appear on the voters' roll. We are excited. Zimbabwe is excited. 2023 is a big moment for this country. It is a big moment for change. It is a big moment for an opportunity for Zimbabweans to realize